Hi guys! So it's my birthday on 20th and that's next week, and I got myself a gift. It's not from me, my husband got me the gift. It's a coach. Oh yeah. And we're gonna unbox the handbag. That's first things first, I bought it from a village outlet that's in Kildare Village Outlets in Dublin, Ireland. And yep, they don't give with a dust bag, they just give it like that in the outlets. Okay, that's some paper. That's the first view of the bag. That's the side strap. What is this? I think that's just some paper. Paper, and more paper. So, do I have to just cut it off? I guess yes, I just have to cut this off. Yeah. That's a tiny little one that says coach on it, and there's so much of packing there. Yep. So I think I'll have to just tear this off. And this one also, we just tear it off from somewhere. Yeah. Right, so as you can see here, everything has like coach written on it. And this one, oh, there is more paper, and there is more paper. And that's your care instructions. I don't understand what's written there. Okay. Right, so that's how your bag's serial number is. I think that's the serial number. I'm not sure what is this supposed to be. Not really sure of it. More paper. Right, so now I can show you how it is. So we start from here. That's the front. Then you have one slip pocket there, then a zip, another slip pocket, and at the back there is this one which is to just slide your phone in or whatever you want to slide in. And yeah, so, and that's the long strap, which I don't think I'm using as of now, so I'll just get rid of it. Let's remove this. Ouch. Okay, and the zips, of course, will again have coach embossed there with the plastic and everything. You can see that there. Yeah, and this one here. Right, so that's it. That's the bag. Thanks for watching. Bye. Well, along with that, I also got this tiny little card holder, a little tiny one there. See that? So that's that. Thank you.